नमस्ते, मैं हूँ काजल अग्रवाल and I'm a very proud member of the मैत्री बोध परिवार.
I want to talk and share about my journey with Bodh.
अनुभव से अनुभूति होती है, सो अनुभव शुरू हो चुका था अनुभूति की तरफ.
I was one with the consciousness. वो एक चैतन्य मुझे एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, वो मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती. वो स्थिति जो मेरी थी उस वक्त.
Adinath, before Bodh, anxious, fearful, self-doubt.
The quality of both, I think, the series is that it unfolds in its timing. The timing is the correct timing for you and for you to learn that chapter.
I can be happy at will. So I don't know how I've had this realization. I can't pinpoint to the exact moment, but it has definitely been through this experience that I have realized that happiness is a state of mind, and that is a state of mind that I can achieve at will. I can snap a finger and I can just smile and be happy.
तो अभी मैं अपने आप को वॉच करते रहता हूँ, वॉच डॉग की तरह. तो कई बार अगर मेरे दिमाग में जो स्टोरीज ऑफ माय माइंड हैं जो आते हैं, जो मुझे एक दिशा में ले जाने की कोशिश करते हैं, वो मैं अलाउ नहीं करता हूँ.
Through Bodh, I started feeling that I am not alone. I am part of something.
Spending those 5 days by yourself in your thought, dealing with your own past baggage, dealing with how you're going to live your future, transforming every minute through all of that is one of the most important journeys that one can undertake.
Adinath, after Bodh, confident, hopeful, positive, and brimming with love.
Part of the meditative process, I actually traveled the universe. Like I can't tell you the kind of things I saw. I have no visual reference points for those things in my life.
And then you literally feel one with your divine. And I remember at that point of time, there were just tears flowing down, and I had unexplainable tears of joy, of surrender, of connection, of just feeling one, feeling united, feeling the same as my divine. And I have never in my life felt anything which has made me feel lighter, stronger, braver, kinder, more loved, more secure. Most importantly, it's the security. It's this blanket of security around you, which is just, again, unexplainable. And I get goosebumps every time I think about it.
लेकिन एक टॉपिक पे डिबेट चल रहा था और सडनली एवरीथिंग वाज साइलेंट. एकदम शांत. दादाश्री जी शांत थे, हम लोग शांत थे. एक एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ साइलेंस फ्रॉम विद इन, वो उस वक्त हम सभी ने एक टाइम पे एक्सपीरियंस किया था.
I'm just feeling magical. That for me is a tremendous transformation. Having already had considerable success in some of my work, I suddenly now feel like I'm operating from another plane. So I think that's something I really want to share. It's magical.
बेसिकली आप अपने आप को देख पाते हो. आपको खुद देख पाना वो बहुत आसान हो जाता है.
Someone is guiding me. Something is guiding me. There is a force that is nudging me in the right direction.
पर अगर आपको ये अनुभव करना है, तो आपको आपके जिंदगी के थोड़े बहुत 4-5 दिन देने होंगे. वो मैंडेटरी है. थोड़ा फोन साइड में रख के वो करना होगा. और उन्होंने किया. और अभी एक कम्युनिटी आई वुड से बन गई है, जहाँ पे इट्स बेटर दैट वी form a community which talks of love, kindness, peace, abundance, prosperity, life, and giving, rather than talking about how bad the world is right now.